Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back here at the shop working on the 63 Ragtop. Now last time we were here, we tried to get it running and we did not succeed very well. We got it cranking over, we checked the oil, and that was about it. We tried turning it, we got it turning, and it wouldn't fire off. Now we also replaced the original coil with that Bosch blue coil there that I heisted from a drawer in the toolbox. Now, not long ago, Taylor from DubWerks was here with Ben, and he played with it, and he got it coughing. So I had the ignition wires on a little out of order. So that's been corrected. He set the timing and couldn't get it fired off, so we're going to try again today. So a quick timing check is in order. We'll take the test light here and ground it out. Oh, or not. Test light's a little sketchy. Alright, so now we've got that all set. We just have to put it top dead center and then back off a bit. We're gonna pop the cap off just a little to make sure we're where we ought to be, which we're not. So we'll go another spin around. Alright, that ought to be good. So now if we go in here, hit the ignition, light is on, off, on, that's where I want it. So it wasn't out. Alright, so we'll throw some fuel in it. Stealing Jay's fuel again. Let's throw some down there, and on there. A little everywhere. Hit the box so that it spins a little faster. 6 volt, you know. And we'll go for it. Well, it fired off a little. It's a runner! I don't know what happened between then and now, because I really didn't change anything, but she's alive, or he. I haven't decided what to call it yet. Probably Herbie, because it's Herbie. So he's alive! The Doc's alive! He's not in the Old West, though. Well, guys, that's a success. It's idling by itself, and I just started it off of the regular 6-volt battery. So, we're winners today. It's gonna die soon because I only have the bowl filled and the tank is actually empty. So, but listen to that idle. Yep, there we go. Listen to the idle though. This is gonna be fantastic if that engine's any sign of the bones of this car. The outside might not be the prettiest yet, but the bones are good. Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap for me. This morning I didn't even plan on coming down to work on the Ragtop, but I said, hey, it's a good day for working on the Rag. And look what we did in such a short amount of time. We made it a runner. So now all that's left to do is fully repair all the rust, complete respray, whole new interior, new headliner, new bias ply tires, redo everything, make it concourse ready, and then we'll be able to drive it. But until then, it runs. So until next time guys, when we're doing something else exciting, take care. I'll see you later.